Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2008 Honda CRF230L. This is Honda's entry-level mid-size dual sport motorcycle. Has a 230cc single-cylinder 4-stroke engine, carbureted, 6-speed transmission. This bike is like brand new, only 392 miles on the odometer. This bike is cherry. Bike has just been tuned up, new tires, front and rear, new Dunlop dual sport tires. The bike runs beautifully. The carburetor has been gone through, it's been cleaned. The bike has been sitting for longer than it's been running. It is beautiful condition and a great price at only $32.49 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach us at 408-730-0600.